In this tutorial, you will be taught how to add topics and subtopics. Topics and subtopics are needed in order to be able to add questions to the systems, so therefore it's important that they always should be defined before adding the questions. We can add a topic by going to the topics page. First, we'll add the topic by pressing the add topic button, and we have to define a name for it. And then we can add the subtopics which correspond to this specific topic. I'll quickly add the first 3 subtopics that I'm going to need. And once we have created the topics, we can start adding questions. And this is basically all you need to know about the topics and subtopics. I would like to thank you for your attention and see you next time.